Okay, so I'm here in Pamagan. I don't even know what this street's called. It's on the other side of Tamanpunchi. But yeah, I've run out of petrol. We just got back from Vietnam and there's no petrol in there. So what I'm going to have to do is go and look for some petrol. What a drag. We just got back from Vietnam, so we haven't really taken much notice of the motorbikes. I got on it and didn't realise it was just empty. So what I'm going to do is walk up here, just try and find a little Bengkel or something, a little Warung or something that's selling some petrol. And yeah, I suppose that's all I can do. So I'll take me bike will be right. Can't go anywhere anyway. Right, so we're going to walk up here, just see what's going on. I'll show you the river here. What's going on the river? River. Right. Alright, I got a little warung here. Looks like they sell food. Got donuts. Chuckway. Alright, good stuff. Hey, Park, how are you? Coffee? No, sudah banyak. Just trying to offer me a cup of coffee. Alright, what's this here?
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, take a burung, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, this is a shop where they sell birds and bird food and stuff. Got all the little doves and that in here, like little miniature doves. You see all the birds hanging up in there. That's where you buy your bird food and bird seed and stuff like that for your birds. Alright, but we're not after birds, we're after petrol. Alright, gorengan. Gorengan is just fried stuff. Tau easy, bakwan, little breakfast snaps. Hey, Park. What are you doing? Oh, what, mate? Chin chin? Huh? Chin chin? Alright, so we've got a silversmith here. He makes the silver rings. Just check that out. Oh, it spins, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, buggers. Come on, big in there. Some more. Yeah, right. So, this is a little silver workshop. Silver in Indonesian is called parek, eh? Parek. Kuda? Oh, jual di kuda? Alright. Oh, he sells it in Kuda, yeah. So this is all he needs to make his rings? Very good. Okay, Pak, makasih, yeah? Hello. Alright, so that was interesting, a little silver shop. So if I need a silver ring, this I know where to come to. So the name for silver is Parek. And yeah, very interesting. So he makes rings for a shop in Kuta, he said. So I'll just show you the river over here. It's like the canals or whatever. It's actually quite nice over here. That's Tamanpunchi over there. So this side, I'm not quite sure of the name. But a lot of people come along these edges and just hang out the afternoon on the grass and that around the river and hang out. But what we're after is benzene. Because the old, the petrol's run out. Wait. Oh yeah, potong rambut eh?
Yes.
Cukur eh? So this is a little barber shop. Cut your hair. Now little barber shops like that are good. It's like 20,000 to get your hair cut, like $2, you know. So it's very cheap. And we've got another bird shop here. Yeah. Another little shop with all the birds. These are strange little ones, aren't they? These are mainly just bird food shops, cat food, dog food, bird food, stuff like that. Hey, Park. Oh, so I've got a tailor. He fixes your clothes and stuff. Hey, Park. This is a Bengkel for motorbikes, but no petrol. This looks like a little leather shop. They make leather gear. You can wash motorbikes as well. Another little tailor. Hello, Ibu. Okay. So this is a little tailor. You can see she's got a sewing machine set up and makes clothes and stuff like that. Very good. Yeah, it's sort of interesting what you find when you just walk around, you know, because you just ride past most of the time. You don't really look at anything. So, I mean, untuk ikan, oh.
Hah?
Untuk ikan.
Ya.
Oh, eh?
Right.
So this is fish food you can buy.
Yes, right.
All right.
You like fish?
Yeah, I like to fish, yeah.
Like fishing?
Yeah, but you loud, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, so they're selling fish food, fish bait, little worms and things like that. And yes, what's that? Oh, what's this? I don't know, just a little general store. And I found some petrol, which is good. That was quick. So this is how you buy petrol here. They've just got little bottles, like 1.5 litre bottles you can buy. I'll see if I can take the whole bottle with me. And yeah, problem solved. Oh. So the puck's in there, but he's praying at the moment. So I'll just wait for him to pray and yeah, I'll get back to you. All right, so we'll go back and get some petrol in a minute and we'll just do a bit more of a walk up here. I don't think there really is much more up here. You can see the end of the road just here and the bridge going across. So, all right, so we'll go back because the guy was praying in there, and when they pray, they just won't stop doing anything until they finish praying. So, macam saya di sana lah, saya ada minta bensin habis ya. Bisa beli satu botol. So 20,000 for a bottle. All right, so these ones are in glass, so they want the bottle back. But lucky he's got some in plastic aqua bottles. So I'll get a bit of petrol. We'll head back to the bike and get the bike going. So yeah, this road's really, really busy at the moment. As you can see, they've put this new bridge in up here and now it takes cars across it. So this is like a main cut-through road now to go to Taman Punching the other side and through into Pamogan that way. Okay, so got me a bottle of petrol, get this bike going. And it was my mistake because I just didn't check the petrol. I just got on it and left this morning. So we'll walk back to the bike. It's not that far. It's probably only 100 metres away, you know. So, but yeah, it's interesting just to walk along in these little streets and that. And like I said, most of the time I ride along here, I don't really see anything because I'm just riding, you know. So you're never really looking around what's there. So when you walk, it makes it a bit more. This is like a Cos by the look of it. You can see all the rooms there they rent. Be cheap rooms, you know. And the cost is like little rooms. They might be like 3 metres square little rooms, and they're cheap. Probably $800,000, $80 a month or something, you know. Okay, back at the bike. All right, get this petrol in here. So as usual, he told me it was 20,000 because it's 1.5 litres. Yeah, it's 20,000. When I give him a 50, he only give me 25 back. So he charged me 5,000 for the bottle, you know. And I'm just sort of used to that sort of shit because they take advantage of you, Westerners, any way they can. They really do. Right, I've got to find me keys. Wait a minute. Get some petrol in this thing and get it going. Hope there's no water in it. Looks all right. If I can do this without spilling it. Good stuff. Well, that wasn't too far. I thought I might have had to walk. Sometimes you might have to go 1/2 kilometre to find some petrol. All right, gives me half a tank. These little tanks only hold like 3 litres or something, so, you know. All right, it should start because it was coughing and spluttering, and it hadn't quite fully run out of petrol yet, so we'll see if she goes. Oh, it doesn't want to start. Yes, it's going. Good one. All right. Right, it kept starting and coughing and spluttering and going on then, but she's going now. All right, we'll get on our way. I'll take you up over this new bridge up here and show you what's going on there. Oh no, it keeps stalling. Alright. So that was lucky, it wasn't too far, a couple 100 metres maybe. There's a lot of little places in the back streets away from the big petrol stations. They're always got the little Perta minis or bottles of benzene or something somewhere. See the river down here. Wow, there's a lot of plastic in the river, look at it. But I'll just show you this new bridge they've built across here. And I'll take you in the back way. Oh shit! Alright, something happened then. Don't know what, just went bang. No, it's going again. Keeps stalling. Yeah, I might have to put it in for a service. Like the bike hasn't been run for about a month because we've been in Vietnam and Malaysia and whatever. So alright. Snuck through the intersection there. Okay. So this is a way, instead of going back through the traffic and all the heavy traffic, we can cut through the back way and the little lanes to get back to my place from here. There's something going on here. I'd say there'd be a cremation or something going on. Boys are setting up stuff. Balinese boys. So I would say there'd be a cremation there. That's a big graveyard in there. So this is a school in here, like a Muslim school. Alright. So after a while you get to know all the sneaky little back lanes and little quick ways to avoid all the major traffic and that, you know. So this sort of a ways, this probably cuts out about a good kilometre just going to my house, you know. So there's a banjar there, banjar post. Alright. Oh no, it just stalled out again. That's going again. Yeah, no, this bike normally goes pretty good. It never really stalls out or anything. Alright, so now we're on another little canal here. And this is the one that up further they put all the fish in and that. It's full of fish. And they use it to clean the water and keep the waterways clean. So right, we've got a car up ahead. Hello. Alright, so they've got a little truck in here. Oh, they're doing some building down this street. Wow, look what they're building in here. The whole street. This was rice paddy not long ago. Probably 3 months ago, last time I was up here. Wow, this bike just keeps stalling out. So I better swap bikes with the other one. I thought I'd just give this one a run. Yesterday I got on Yuli's new bike and got a flat tyre. You've probably already seen that video. So here's the last of the rice paddies in my area, look. And that street I just showed you with all the new houses down the whole street was all rice paddies too. So, and probably about 3 months ago it looked like this. So even in these areas where there is no tourism, it's very, very quickly getting, you know, the people realise instead of leasing their land for rice every year to people, it's cheaper to lease it and have someone build on it. And they're getting long-term leases. Long-term leases that way and getting a lot more money if people actually build on the land. So it's a shame, but that's progress, I suppose. And at least out here, it's just the locals. You won't find any tourists living out here. So there's some fish in there. Fair few fish, actually. See all these fish in here, look. They're everywhere actually. Only heaps of them. Pretty shallow water, it's only about 200 mil deep. You see a big giant goldfish just down here, the gold one. There used to be dozens of gold ones in here, but a lot more of these brown ones now, the dark ones. There's still a lot of fish in here. Every time there's a big rain and something like that, it washes them out, you know. We'll see if there's any more down here. There's a lot of fish in there. There's a couple of big ones. You see them too? They're losing their colour. They were really gold. These ones are sort of losing their colour and going dark, I've noticed lately. More of the big silver ones, big gold ones, and heaps of the black ones on the bottom. You see them all along the edge here, sucking the moss off the wall there. Look. Yeah, it's not much of a video, but I wasn't going to make a video about this at all. But of course, I run out of petrol. I thought I may as well just get the camera out, eh? So. These are so narrow, these roads, you can't even fit a car and a bike at the same time. Damn it. It's about 50 times the bike stalled out. You can see here there's a little garbage guys. You pay these guys to come and pick up your garbage and that. Hey, Buck. So this will be one of those little motorbike trailer type things where they rotary coastal and river cleaner. Hello. Rotary Club of Bali Indonesia. Alright. Right, just get around him. That's it. I'm home. What you doing, Luce? Aren't you lucky you didn't come with me, eh? Wow, well I better get this bike in today into the Bengkel and get it fixed. Like it just stalls out every time. So anyway, I never even ended up getting to where I was going to go because this bike's playing up, so I may as well bring it back and I'll swap it for this one, the one that had the flat tyre yesterday. So it's 2 motorbike dramas in 2 days. Anyway, like I said, not much of a video, but I might as well post it anyway. Just shows you what really happens when things happen, you know. Dramas happen, flat tyres, motorbikes, run out of petrol. It's just daily life, I suppose. Anyway, if you like the video, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that. See you on the next one.